Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Yes, let us talk something about the power of President Donald Trump. Yes, really, he is very, very powerful. Otherwise, just imagine, is it easy to kidnap the president of a country along with his wife from his bedroom? It happened on January 3rd. All of us know. That is why I am telling he is powerful. He can do anything. Let me introduce the topic and then let me speak something more about our president, a really powerful president. You know, Venezuela is considered as the powerhouse of South America. And Nicolas Maduro was the president of Venezuela. And we know great president of America started his operation at midnight and right away carried the president and his wife from his bedroom. Just imagine, we Indians, we are begging Pakistan to hand over our criminals. Am I right? It is a big lesson to all. Now, let me talk why Donald Trump was able to do all these things. Why he is so powerful? Then, what lessons we have to learn from him? Yes, it is a big lesson to all. First thing, we should get economically strong and we should be a super military power. No other way. Each and every country, we should be economically strong and should be a super military power. This is one thing. I feel that is why he was able to do that. Now, another doubt I have got. Without any internal support, internal help, is it possible for any country? How capable its military force or economically strong, is it possible? No, I don't think so. I feel that there might be some support from inside, that is internal support. Whether it was done within a day? No, I don't feel so. Overnight such things can't be done. So planning might have done, and that is why America was successful in doing this. Otherwise, it is not a joke to carry any president of a country along with his wife overnight to America. Now, what lesson we can learn from that? What I feel is, even India should learn from this. We can also strike our enemies now. Door is open. India should use this opportunity. And when America attacked Venezuela, what happened there? There was no current, no internet, night 2 o'clock. People were not knowing what to do or what is happening. More than 200 military crafts were flying over without proper planning. I don't think it would have been happened. Now, what might be the reason for this? One thing is Venezuela is very rich in oil, and moreover, America tells that they are even handling in some unwanted activities, that is drugs and all. We don't know what is what, but oil, I feel, is very, very important. Even Nicholas was ready to talk. Even then, American president didn't give him a chance to talk, because I feel that America had an eye on crude oil which is available in Venezuela, which is even more than Saudi Arabia and all the other countries. Whatever is there available is at present, Venezuela is not able to attract it because their economical strength is less. Now, when America goes there, I am sure America will do the work because they are strong. So I feel that all these things have happened to rob the oil resources of Venezuela. Okay, president, let it be. He is the head. What about his wife? Why she has been carried away? I don't understand that. So, what may happen in future? There are even chances that oil prices may come down, because plenty of oil, when it is extracted from Venezuela. Now, how some of the Kuwait and all that those countries are having mastery over it. When supply becomes more, we know that naturally when supply is more, rates will come down. That is also one hope. If we look at the things in a positive way, it may happen. But at the same time, because Venezuela also has got friends like China, Russia and all, whether they will keep quiet, I don't know what will happen in future. But what Donald Trump has shown the world, he has shown the power, economical power as well as military power. He has shown the world that he can do whatever he wishes under the name of executive powers. And if the country is going to become rich, I am sure the citizens will support him. No citizen will say no. But at the same time, we too have to learn a lot from all these activities. And some people are of the opinion that even Third World War may begin. Who knows what happens? I don't know. Anyhow, but one thing is sure. If you are economically strong, if your military power is strong, You can do anything, whatever you wish. Results we don't know. I am not telling whether it is right or wrong, but even though there are so many international bodies, even then nobody is bothered, everybody is keeping quiet in front of America. That is why I feel that Trump is really powerful. Nobody can just ignore him. Have a good day.